The very first thing I do on any car I own, it doesn't have to just be a Tesla or an EV, any car, is get the windows tinted. It is more than just for looks. In fact, tinting your windows could even save your life. That is a scientific fact. That's not just clickbait.
Yes, science!
Today, I am on my way to get the windows tinted in my, new to me, Tesla Model 3. I have been going to these guys since I got my very first car.
Yeah.
You're definitely gonna wanna see who these guys are and not miss the reasons why. You gotta get your window tinted. What's up, YouTube? Chris here from Lockett Tech. I am here in Feasterville, Trevose, Pennsylvania at Shades of Grey. Shades of Grey is like the best window tint place out there. I have been coming here for about 15 years, pretty much ever since I got my first car. I actually found this place through a recommendation of a really good trusted friend who was like, dude, you gotta go here to get your window tint done. And the best part is they give you a lifetime guarantee on their work. They stand behind their work. They not only stand behind the film itself that they use, the product is the top-notch stuff that you always want to use. It's Expel window tint, but they back up the work themselves. Now, the importance of getting your windows tinted. This is like the first thing I do to any car that I ever get, including my family's cars. I've always done this to Michelle's cars. We are gonna be bringing Tyler's car here to get window tinted as well, because it's not just for looks. Now, granted, don't get me wrong. I mean, I personally think window tinting on cars looks absolutely fantastic. It looks fantastic, but the protection that you get from the UV rays, did you know that there was an actual medical study done that proves more people actually contract melanoma on the left side of their body than on the right? And it's because so many people are driving their cars, exposing the left part of their body to the window, the driver window, that's not tinted, and those UV rays come in. That's what causes things like skin cancer. And I gotta tell you, if you live in a hot environment, now granted, look, we're in the Northeast, we're in Pennsylvania. This area, it doesn't exactly get super, super hot, but in the summer times, it can get upwards near of 100 degrees, and especially in a Tesla with a black interior, having that window tint keeps all that heat out. Again, make sure you get ceramic or a good film like Expel, and it prevents it from when you open up that car, you just get slammed in the face with all that giant heat, then you gotta sit in it and you're waiting. That absolutely is terrible. It makes a monster difference from a heat standpoint. That's actually the first reason why I started window tinting my cars. These guys are true professionals. They have granted me access to go back, get some video for you guys of them tinting my, new to me, Tesla Model 3. And I'm super excited to get back there and show you guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into the beautiful B-roll montage of Skippy, a Tesla Model 3, getting tinted. I am here with Leah, the owner of Shades of Grey. Leah, you guys, first of all, I'm a huge fan of your business because I've been coming here since I got my first car. I mean, it's been probably you guys have been around for a really long time, right?
This is our 18th year.
Holy cow. I'm pretty sure I've been coming for at least like 15 years. You guys do the most amazing work. Tell us a little bit about your business.
Thank you. We appreciate that very much. We appreciate the return business. I have the best crew ever.
They are phenomenal. They've been in the business for a really long time. Kyle's been here almost the entire 18 years.
Window tint. Why is it so important? Like, it's more than just looks, right?
Totally more than just looks. It has 99% UV protection, so you're protecting against that A and B rays, so your skin is safe. The car interior is safe from fading as well, so that's really critical. The ceramic films offer that extra heat rejection, which is great for you as well. You're much more comfortable within that car. Plus the heat rejection and insulating properties of the film give you gas savings or battery preservation because it's working so hard to heat it or cool it. So there's benefits beyond just looking really good.
There are people that watch us all around the country, so if they're not able to physically get their car here, what are things that they should look for in a good installation place?
So you're going to want to make sure you research the products that they use. Make sure the film has a good reputation. We use only Expel products in here, which is the leading film in the industry at this point. So just make sure you research. Look at the Google reviews to see the install.
I've said this at the start, guys. If you live anywhere in the tri-state area, it is worth the drive to come here, not just in PA. You guys have always been really loyal with that. It's worth the trip. What do you got for them?
You show up and you mention this video, you get a 5% discount on all your work.
Sweet! 5%, you gotta mention Lockett Tech and that you saw Leah in the video, and she'll hook you up with an awesome discount. That's awesome, thanks Leah.
You're very welcome, thank you for coming in, we appreciate it.
Yo, we are home and look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you guys, first of all, looks, I mean, this is a 10 out of 10. Like, you can't, look at this. If you don't want to go dark on your window tint, you don't have to because you're afraid of being able to see at night, or if you live in a state that like is really annoying with window tint, you don't have to go with a dark color. They have clear, completely clear tint that you can put on the car that'll be there just for the UV protection. It'll still keep the sun out. I like dark. This, by the way, this is 15%. If anybody's wondering, that's kind of always been my go-to. I love 15%. Now, the other thing to remember too is get a good film. Make sure whoever you're going to is using Expel for the film. By the way, Expel offers a lifetime transferable warranty on the film itself. So it's completely covered. And then of course, Shades of Grey offering a lifetime warranty on the install job itself. So if it ever bubbles up, if it gets cloudy 2 years from now or anything, you can go back to them and they will fix it free of charge, no questions asked. And these guys, they've been around forever. I mean, you heard it from Leah, they've been around for 18 years. I've been using them for 15 years. It's worth the drive up here. They'll get you in, they'll get you out, and you'll have a great looking car. Let me know down in the comments below, what percentage do you guys go with? I'm kind of curious to see what like the most popular one out there is. Do you tint your car? And if you don't, why not? There's so many benefits to it. Let's chat about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. We've got a ton of content coming with the Model 3 and still some good stuff to come on the Model Y as well. Thanks for watching, guys, as always, and we'll see you in another one real soon.